Did you know that neglecting furnace maintenance can lead to decreased efficiency, higher energy bills, and even safety hazards? Here are some essential maintenance tips to ensure your furnace runs smoothly all winter long. 1. Change your air filter regularly. A clogged filter restricts airflow, causing your furnace to work harder and consume more energy. Replace it every 3 months. 2. Listen for unusual noises. Strange sounds like clanking or banging could indicate underlying issues. Contact a professional if you hear anything unusual. 3. Keep your vents clean and clear. Blocked vents hinder airflow, leading to uneven heating. Regularly clean them to ensure proper circulation. 4. Clean around your furnace. Dust and debris can accumulate, affecting efficiency. Keep the area around your furnace clean to prevent issues. 5. Test carbon monoxide detectors. Carbon monoxide is a silent killer. Test your detectors regularly and replace batteries as needed. 6. Clean drain lines. Clogged drain lines can lead to water damage. Schedule regular maintenance to keep them clear. 7. Schedule regular checkups. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding costly repairs. Schedule annual checkups with a professional HVAC technician. For professional HVAC services and expert furnace maintenance, contact Alliance Energy Source today. Stay warm, stay safe. Alliance Energy Source, your partner in winter comfort.